This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Rick and Joan Vander Giessen. Bring your vision and make this spacious 1,757 square feet condo shine. With 2 BRs, 2 bath including a primary suite west / a 5-piece bath, plus an extra finished room for a home office and a separate laundry room, there's no shortage of space to create your dream home. A bay window fills the large living area with light, and the spacious kitchen is ready for your personal touch. The deep 2-car garage offers incredible storage. Recent updates include a newer hot water tank, under 5 years, and a furnace, 2011. Yes, the carpets need replacing, and the dark paint could use a refresh, but if you can look past the shell pink backsplash and imagine your Pinterest board coming to life, the potential here is huge. The perfect first home or your chance to build quick equity. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick and Joan Vander Giessen at 360-734-7500.